Welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to show you how I'm going to be putting together some really thoughtful holiday gifts this year. So as you can imagine, one of the most common text messages, last minute phone calls I get every year as a chef are questions like, how do I cook this roast perfectly? What degree of doneness am I aiming for? And what do you season with? So you can find all of this information on our Roast Perfect app, but I'm gonna show you how I'm personally just going to give out the best gift, and that is rubs I actually use in my house every day when I'm cooking roasts, steaks, you name it. When it comes to beef, I have my 3 go-tos always on hand. So we're gonna talk about how to package them up, what the recipes are, and how to make them look super cute for the holiday season. There you have it. There's some really simple ways to make the grill masters in your family feel really, really special this holiday season. And there's a ton of recipes on our website that you can totally change all of this up using. Just visit certifiedangusbeef.com. Happy holidays, you guys.